So this is my hair. So first I'm going to section my hair off. 2 parts in the back, 1 at my crown, and 2 parts in the front. Today I'm using Mizani Moisture Fusion Intense Hydration Mask. Because of time, I wanted to add a little bit of my herb mixture, but yeah, it is now 1:45, so let me skip that and just add the mask to my hair and let it sit for 15 minutes under a hooded dryer. And all I can remember is when I was your girl, but now you got my mind and the world. I know that it's been a while since I walked out that door. Wasn't that you came, saying I'm too late. I don't forget. Keep it up, I'll be coming back. Keep it up and I'm coming back to you. I hope that it's worth it, maybe we could work it out. And I make up sex, it is the best way you love me down. Got you talking to me like you know we back up on it. Back it as all. There's no way to go. Conservate. Als ik zeg dat de route is berekend, ik ben erachter wat houden van betekent. Nieuwe love in je lijf is een zegen. Zo iemand kom je niet vaak in je leven tegen. Voor jou vlieg ik de wereld over als het moet. Mis je warmte, je hebt geen idee wat het met me doet. Vind mezelf in jou, schatje, jij hebt alles wat ik zoek. Vind mezelf in jou, jij hebt alles wat ik zoek. Als je me nodig hebt en op mijn plek, ja, dan ben ik precies daar. Precies daar, ik ben precies daar. Als je me nodig hebt en op mijn plek, ja, dan ben ik precies daar. Niet te vroeg. So sometimes I get a question, how much conditioner do you need to apply to your hair? See, like this, your hair is a sponge. Just use a decent amount and apply your conditioner to your hair will soak it all up. And the moment that your hair is not soaking the product up, that is a sign that your hair has enough conditioner on the hair strands. So for example, this part is coated, right? So now if I'm going to add more conditioner on it, I can apply it. And I can feel how slippery but there's still conditioner left. right? That shows that this part has enough conditioner and it cannot soak any conditioner. Now let's go to this part. This one is completely dry. So when I apply it on this section, and I'll show you my gloves again, no conditioner anymore. That is a way to see for yourself how much product you need to apply to your hair, especially when it comes to conditioners. Let me add a little bit more, and then I'm done. And you see, it is also very, very important just to work in sections, because if you just apply conditioner on the outer area, yeah, your inner parts will receive conditioner. And that is also the reason that some ladies will say, forget, like around my the inner part of my hair is always breaking, and that's because you're not applying enough product in the inner parts, because you're not sectioning off your hair. I really am a cheerleader when it comes to section your hair to apply a product, because it just makes it easier. You can see which part of your hair is breaking or shedding more. So yeah, I'm all for working in sections. And then I'm going to add a little bit more conditioner mask on my edges. In my nape area. Everything is nicely coated. I'm now going to cover my hair so I can sit on a hooded dryer. This is just, how do you say it? Yeah, pull-back sock, pedal sock. I don't know the English word, but I think you get what I'm using to cover my hair. Alright, definitely going to buy a new one. This is my third time and I really love it. I'm going to buy more. It is a bit on the pricey side, but it's Mizani, and Mizani, for me, it has quality products. So yeah, this one is a keeper. Let's see. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. So I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer for 15 minutes, rinse it out, and then continue with blow drying my hair.